Intel, those shares are higher in overtime by more than 6%. The company topping revenue estimates, beat in their product segment, but missed in the foundry business. The AI PC unit also up double digits. Joining me now is Matt Bryson, semiconductor and hardware research analyst at Wedbush. He's got a neutral rating on Intel. Matt, I'm looking at the gross margins here, which had been an issue for investors until the federal government bought in. I mean, given that it's chasing this demand issue, demand strong, supply not keeping up, but their margins are still pressured, I guess because of their ability to load the fabs here. Is Intel doing a lot better?
I think the end markets are a lot better. So Micron told you the PC market was going to be flat at one point. Now it's going to grow mid-single digits. I think you're seeing that in Intel's numbers. I think you're seeing the fact that AI is pulling standard servers, and that's creating more demand for Intel Xeon products. And that's what Intel's showing you, not necessarily that the company's in a better place, but that its end markets are in a better place.
So given that at these levels, if it's trading here tomorrow, the stock has basically doubled since January 1st, what do you have to believe it's worth it? Do you have to believe that the foundry strategy is going to work? Do you have to believe that they're going to get more customers than they have or compete more effectively with AMD?
I think that's exactly what you have to believe. I think that's what you had to believe coming into numbers too, at these valuations. And the problem is we just don't know, right? So Intel's Panther Lake product, which begins shipping next quarter, that's going to give us the first look at 18A, so their next foundry process, and that's when you're going to get some feel for whether Intel's really executing, or whether they're still going to have some problems versus AMD on the product side.
Client computing group, more of the PCs, was up 5% year over year. The data center and AI group down 1%. Your read there?
I think that AMD in both cases is taking a bit of share. I think that what that is telling you is in part what end markets are doing. But I think it's end markets are better, and certainly better than the last quarter, and that's why we have revenues where we do.